Hey guys, it's Matt with Ace That Q, and today we're going to be making some crispy bacon fried corn. It's a very quick and super easy recipe to do, so stick with us and let's go Ace That Q. Today all we're going to need is about 1 pound of bacon, 2 pounds of frozen corn, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, about 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Then we're going to be using our taco seasoning, which today we're going to be using Malcom, Grande, Gringo. And then we're going to use the Bachan's hot and spicy Japanese barbecue sauce. All this together is going to be an epic combination and something you're going to have to try for yourself, and it's just going to be very, very good. So with the Blackstone already set to medium heat, I'll put on the bacon, and right before it gets crispy, we're going to add the minced garlic. Then we'll mix everything together and let it cook for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to add the frozen corn and Malcom's Grande Gringo Mexican seasoning and mix together. We'll then spread that out onto the Blackstone and let it cook for a couple minutes. Then we will add our Bachan's hot and spicy Japanese barbecue sauce, mix that together, and right before we take everything off the Blackstone, we'll add in our cilantro. So we just got done down on the Blackstone, so I brought it up. We're gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit more of that hot and spicy Bachan's onto it. And then let's dive in. Man, that's good.